one of the most powerful processes that you'll get used to doing on a regular basis as you start in your personal development journey is taking the thoughts and the ideas of what it is that you want out of life and bringing it into the world by writing it on a piece of paper. So what happens is, as you write the new story of how you'd like to live your life, as you write that, and it evolves over time, and it'll continue to evolve, because as you unpack the layers that's sort of holding you back at the moment, and your true personality starts coming to the surface. So your purpose starts to unravel and your unique gift starts to unravel. So you start to write a very specific story and it excites you. That becomes your goal. That's the point in the future that you're aiming for. And the more often you write that goal down, the more it starts to populate your subconscious mind. The more you start to make decisions based on where you're going in the future. Instead of being distracted by what's happening in the world and happening all around us and the latest outrage on the news, you're quietly going back into your mind. And if you write it on a card like I do every day, and you write down what it is that you genuinely want, your goal, and you read it as often as possible, you start to take your attention from the outside distractions in the world, and you go into your subconscious, into your subjective mind, and you start to live from there, and you start to make decisions based from what you want, rather than the latest outrage that's distracting you at the moment. And it's not that you're going to be ignoring what's going on, but what happens is that you start to make different choices. And that's the beauty of taking what's in your mind, what it is that you want, and putting it onto paper. Because now it's not just a thought that's unseen, now it's something tangible. You've started the process of making what you want material. That's the beginning of the process. So the more you write, the more you are bringing into the world what's in your mind. It also clears up your mind.